Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and no, I'm not here for any special collab that I joined in. I have, sat at my desk and kind of played around in the past couple days. I had Friday off, which was wonderful. I haven't had a day off in a while. I think I'm gonna have the Friday before 4th of July off, so that's gonna be wonderful as well. Um, but after July 6th, I am going to be off. I'm so excited. So I'm really looking forward to time off and rejuvenate my brain and the stress level, calm it down and relax and craft and just enjoy life for once. So I wanted to come on and share some things that I have made in the past couple of days. um, I need to get my 4th of July cards out, um, or made. I have an idea. I have some papers. I need to get navy blue paper. I don't have enough. Um, but so here are the things that I created. Um, I had these paint chip or paint samples that Um, I finally picked up at Home Depot. It's where I got these from. And I watched several videos, and there are a lot of videos showing um, these pockets that people have been making for journals and stuff. And I thought that was awesome. I, love that idea of it. Um, and they even sewed around it and all that stuff. So I just glued mine. I'm still not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but I did some like this, and these are just things that were on my desk that I, picked and added. Here's another one. This is more of like a chocolate color. There's all the different tones, coffee, I don't even know, but this is more like gray colors. Um, and then, so I did it diagonal this way for these, and then I kind of switched it up and did a diagonal the opposite way. So you can add, you know, like if you had your journal, so you can have it on both sides of your journal. I just think these are just so cute. And I just cut them from the bottom up, or from the top up. And then I trimmed it off, and then this is the extra piece that I trimmed off and added it to the bottom here. And I just love how that looks with a double pocket. I just was having fun. This is one, the opposite direction. I just thought these were cute. I don't know if I'm going to stitch around them. I might. But I think these are just as great. And you can even add lace. You can, oh my gosh, you could decorate it any way you want. So I love how those turned out. And I had a bunch of them. So I just created or trimmed them and cut them into pockets for whenever I need them. So then I was watching Lollapalooza's tutorial on how to make these what do you call them? They're hidden paperclip tabs um, for books. I'm trying to find a book here. Um, so I have this little pink book, and um, it's hidden, so you can't even see it. And these are my prototypes. Um, it's so adorable, guys. And I don't know, I think I'm going to use a little bit stronger paper next time. So you can have a tab here, and then you can put a tab here. I thought they were so adorable in your books. Isn't that cute? And I'll post her or share her video down below. But they are so adorable. Oh my gosh, and really simple and easy to make. So yeah, that's what I've been doing on my days off, on my day off, and it's so nice to do something, just gluing something down. It just makes a difference. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.